Do you believe your backyard is too small to add a garden? Here is a little secret. The smaller the space can mean cozier. With the right layout, even the smallest backyards can provide a sprinkling of green, warm lighting, and attractive seating, whatever you need to get away from the hustle of life. Picture this. After a long day, you walk outside to see living soft plants, a peaceful corner with only a few pins separating them from your peaceful solitude. That is the beauty of cozy backyard garden design, limited only by your imagination and associated yard scale. Welcome to Garden Glow, your ultimate collection of small backyard ideas, space-saving backyard layouts, and garden details that will inspire your next project. If you enjoy cozy outdoor spaces as much as I do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for ideas, and share your backyard garden dreams in the comment section below. Your little pocket of space can become the garden you have always dreamed of.